If you're a woman buying a home after divorce in Omaha, one of the most important decisions you will make is not the house. It's actually the payment that you choose to live with after you move in. Because a payment can look manageable on paper, but feel absolutely overwhelming month after month in real life. In this video, you'll learn how to determine a monthly payment that supports your life now so you can move forward with stability, not pressure. After divorce, everything may shift. Income may be different, responsibilities may even be different, and the margin you once had may not be the same. And because of that, the way you approach home payments must adjust. Beautiful blessing, this is no longer about stretching. It's about building wisely. Keep in mind that approval is not the answer. One of the most common mistakes is using the lender's approval as a guide. Approvals answer one question, and that is, what could I afford under ideal conditions? But listen closely. That is not the same as what feels stable in your everyday life. Keep in mind, the lender does not see your daily stress, your real spending patterns, and they definitely do not know your emotional capacity in this season. And beautiful blessing, this is exactly why wisdom matters. Another point to consider is building from your real monthly lifestyle. Consider, instead of starting with the price, start with life, reality. Ask, what does a normal month cost right now? What expenses are now fully yours? And what has increased since divorce? Then ask, what amount can leave my account and still allow me to breathe? Darling, that question matters more than price range, loan approval, and interest rates, because that's the amount you will live with each month. Another point to consider, margin is not optional. Margin is what protects you. Without margin, room to breathe financially, one repair in your home can cause much stress. One expected bill becomes pressure, and one life change can become overwhelming. But with margin, you have options. You have flexibility and you have peace. Always remember, a safe payment always includes margin. Not just enough, but with room to live. Another point to consider, emotional pressure versus wise decisions. After divorce, as you've probably experienced, all those little mini voices, but the ones that are really a little bit stronger is you trying to rebuild quickly or to prove stability and even to recreate what once was. But wise decisions are not built by pressure. Wise decisions are grounded in truth. Remember, a home is not meant to prove something. It is meant to support your life. Another point, stability test. Yes. Before choosing a payment, ask, if something changes, will I still feel steady right here? It's more than, can I make the payment? But can I make the payment and still live well? Understanding that difference is everything. If you're a woman rebuilding after divorce in Omaha, this content is here to help you make wise, stable decisions and support your next steps. If we have not met yet, my name is Lynetta Anderson. I'm your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate here in the Omaha area. I focus on helping women navigate the home buying decisions after divorce with clarity and steady guidance. Beautiful blessing, because I've experienced this, I realize this decision is not just financial, it is foundational. I'm reminded from Proverbs 24:3, by wisdom a house is built, through understanding it is established. This means the strength of what you build later is the wisdom that you apply now. Watch the next video, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over, so you can see how this fits in the full home buying process. Now that you've seen what a safe monthly payment looks like, the next step is understanding how this fits into the full process. Watch next, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over so you move forward with wisdom. And continue in this series as you make decisions for your next season.